There's no one. There's no one like Jesus. There's no one. There's no one.
I said, even though everything in your natural eyes, you feel like I'm dying, as long as God didn't say anything, don't give up. Even though your boss said to you, you are out of the job, you are sick, as long as God didn't say anything, don't give up. Even you go to see the doctor, and the doctor says, you have this kind of disease, you are dying, even 10,000 people they are dying, don't give up. As long as God didn't say anything, don't give up. Amen? Don't give up your hope. Don't give up your faith. Don't give up before the time. Now look your neighbor again and say, neighbor, don't give up before the time. Say this, neighbor, don't give up before the time. Amen. And we'll be funding our text from Mark chapter 2. Mark chapter 2, please. Mark chapter 2. Divine, can you help us, please? Bless me, move there. Mark chapter 2.